Hi, everyone. Thank you so very much for taking out time to be part of this lovely panel discussion, a topic I think which each of us as HR and as business leaders is talking about today, which is the role of HR being a shared responsibility between the business functions as well as HR itself. So the work is only getting tougher. Before we get into a larger conversation, it would be lovely to have views from each of you on what do you think about this topic. Charu?
Yes, okay. Thank you, first of all, HRAI and Karika for having me over for this conversation. See, a number of jobs that we are doing today do not used to exist until few years back. And few years down the lines, many jobs will come up which do not currently exist. So the role of HR is not merely limited to recruitment, selection, compensation, and performance appraisal, but it has now shifted more towards developing a strategic workforce, which can meet the ever-changing requirements of course, changing jobs. This is what I have to say. And then my views will be on this tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Charu. So when we spoke about HR as a shared responsibility, I think that's a very interesting change or transition or paradigm shift that we're observing in the new generation of workforce. HR is not really restricted to just personnel. Last 20, 30 years, we have seen a great shift in the way HR operates. And now every business leader, every line manager, every people manager is also a HR representative. And that's where we entirely speak about the partnership model rather than just being driven by one exclusive function. So please do join tomorrow to hear more thoughts from all of us about how this shared responsibility is going to be successful in the future.
Excellent. Neelu.
I think from just doing engagement activities, fun activities, HR has come a long way. We have become an enabler now for business, and it's not just HR who's responsible for managing people. I would agree with the Sonali and Charu that HR's role has evolved over a period of time. So I strongly believe that we have been able to partner well with business and to secure that place on the board. So we look forward to have a more fruitful discussion tomorrow and look forward to have all of you with us.
Great. Thank you so much. So I think this is going to be a very exciting conversation, and I don't think the HR fraternity and other people who are interested should miss this. Sitting at the helm of things, view of cross sectors, a very important topic indeed. So thank you all and look forward to the discussion tomorrow.